Hello and welcome to this episode of Bangin Gears, where we are in Washington, D.C. at the International Auto Show for 2020. I'm your host, Frank. We're going to go around. There's 3 levels of cars. We're going to go around and check out all the cars on the top level, which is all the new stuff, and all the exotics. And then downstairs, we're going to do all the ride experiences as well. There's going to be multiple videos in this series, so make sure you stick around. Keep coming back for new and updated content. Other than that, let's go around the show, see what we see.
I know it will keep coming back to you and all the things you've done for me and you. Oh, I wanna get a lifetime of this, but I hope it won't take too long to confess to ourselves. I keep calling, but you won't seem to listen. I keep walking, but I can see you following. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You wouldn't hold me back if you could. We've had ourselves to blame